Foam. Made in the USA or imported. Patented foam roller design offers a superior, multi-density exterior constructed over a rigid, hollow core. Constructed from quality materials that won't break down or lose shape from repeated use. Includes access to free online instructional video library on foam rolling best practices from the experts at TriggerPoint. Trusted foam roller of physical and massage therapists, coaches, trainers and athletes. Top reviews from the United States. Worked my nuts out in a matter of days. One of the best purchases I've ever made. I've had constant tension headaches and bad knots in my back and neck for years. I was getting expensive messages once a week and it helped, but it never fully healed. Then I tried this. 2 to 3 days of rolling my back and neck and now it's great. I still use it every few weeks now just to make sure my muscles stay loose, but it's so much better. I'm telling everyone I know.